What is going on YouTube? So in today's episode of the H2B project, we're gonna go ahead and get this engine bay sprayed a nice gloss black.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me, nobody ever gonna phase me, no fake accounts like KD, doing the shit that I want to, nobody I'll ever run to, every time that I come through, take shots but I'm gun proof, know that I'm shooting right back, killing them when I be dropping the track, killing them and they be bringing it back, killing them so I be wearing all black, always been ready, this ain't a game, no confetti, I got my aim and I'm steady, I got the tools like
I got all my accessories I need here. Got us some steel wool. I got 2 cans of gloss paint and primer black. This stuff right here is the truth, man. I use this on pretty much any part that I want to be black in the engine bay, like brackets and stuff. I use that on any of that. Got 2 cans of that. And then something I got that's different that I wanted to try is I actually got the same brand clear coat. So we're gonna just try it out. It's supposed to be high gloss as well. And just see if that helps it. It's supposed to help make it even stronger, so that's a plus. And then we have some acetone, which this stuff is really good because it dries fast and it gets rid of grease. Got a fresh pack, microfiber cleaning cloths, and some tape. You know, this is not a very high-end type of paint job, and that's kind of what we're basing this entire car around. So everything, even like when we do the body, I'm gonna get an even better total of how much that paint costs and the supplies needed for that. I did notice in Harbor Freight they actually got the rolls of paper, like people that actually paint cars use to mask off stuff. They got like the giant rolls of paper, so probably grab 1 or 2 of those just to make it easier on these window areas when we do the car. But yeah, man, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Always just 2 steps to this process, guys. Really simple. I just scuff it up real good with the steel wool, and then I go over it with the acetone and microfiber towels just to clean off the dust that we might have scuffed up with the steel wool, as well as any oil residue, and that's it. We'll be ready to spray. All right, guys, I got it all prepped up and ready. Going ahead and lay this first coat down and see how everything starts turning out.
I've been driving on E just to clear my mind. Too much been going on, so I took a drive. I know I gotta stop for gas, but in due time, I guess I'm tryna push my car until it flatlines. I've been driving on E just to clear my mind. Too much been going on, so I took a drive. I know I gotta stop for gas, but in due time, I guess I'm tryna push my car until it flatlines. It flatlines. Listen, I'm stressed out and I'm contemplating on what to do. I wanna quit, but I'm worried.
All right, guys, first coat is laid and it looks really good. I'm really happy with this. It's looking really, really good. I'm telling you, man, that damn 2-in-1, I get it from Lowe's. That stuff is the truth. I'm telling you, that stuff is the absolute truth. Like, it covers and it does really well. Like I said, a lot of times I don't even prep this much when I paint stuff like battery trays or like the alternator bracket I modified for the CB7. When I did that, I didn't hardly prep it for shit. I just sprayed it and it sticks to any and everything. So that's why I recommend that paint if anybody's trying to do something. They want some heavy duty paint and something that can take some abuse. Go with that. That stuff really works. But yeah, this is looking really good. So I'm gonna let that tack up for a few minutes and then we'll come back and we'll hit it with one more coat of black, and then the final coat we'll do that clear and see how that works. And we should be done. So yeah, this is looking really, really good. The H23 is gonna look really, really at home in this engine bay.
Worried about the bills due, and I've been searching and calling places for something new. When they pick up, they just tell me they'll call me back soon. I'm frustrated, I really need explanations on why I keep getting jobs that only offer low wages. And God, I'm not saying that I'm not grateful, I'm just saying I want a job with a little bit more compensation. Cause every day is a struggle and I don't really have cash, and I've been driving on E hoping my tank will last.
All right, second coat. And this thing is looking really good, really good. I can't complain one bit. This thing looks amazing. So much better than it did. And I mean, this gloss, let me get this light. This glossy, man. Like, it's crazy because it's gloss black, but it looks almost gray when it's in direct light. It's crazy. But yeah, she's looking really good. So I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes, maybe like 10, 15 minutes. And then we're gonna give this clear coat a try, and that should be it. Should be done and good to go then. So yeah, let it sit for a few minutes, and yeah, we'll come back and try that clear coat out, and we should be good then. But I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. Like, really, really happy. So it's gonna come together really nicely, man. Just think about it, man. That H2B sitting up in there. And like, that's my main reason why I wanted to do the bay black, because once I paint the block of the H and the B series trans silver, and then I have like some crazy good colored valve cover on it, it's just gonna pop. It's gonna stand out in the engine bay. And I love my engine to be the center of attention, and that's what this is gonna be. So yeah. All right, that's it, guys. So I did a layer of clear I'm gonna let this dry for a little while. I don't know if I'm gonna do a second layer because it does kind of act a little weird against the regular paint, so I might just leave it at that. But yeah, man, this engine bay is looking really good, really good. And again, I don't know why it looks like this on camera, but I took a picture a while ago, and it just looks gray, but it's actually black. Like, it's really a nice gloss black. I don't know why it just looks a little gray on camera, but yeah, it's really, man, this is perfect. It looks great. It's exactly what I wanted. So I am not complaining one bit. I'm gonna let that dry up for a little while, and then I'll come back and we'll check it out one more time once it's dried a little bit, and we'll close this video on out. I hope y'all are as excited as I am about this, man. I was reading your comments earlier, and I see some people were talking about painting, leaving the inside red, so we probably just refresh that with red. I don't know if we can get, I want to say this is Milano red. I don't know if I can get that in an aerosol can or not, but yeah, we'll probably just refresh that and then just paint the outside. I don't know, I still kind of want to paint the car black, but I don't know, now that I've done the engine bay black, I may just do the outside a different color just so it has contrast, but yeah, we'll figure it out. Only thing that matters is we're making progress, guys. We are making progress. That looks a lot better than it did, I tell you that. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. As always, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Respect all bills. Peace out.